Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the X app. First, you'll need to download the application from your device's official app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and look for the prominent Sign Up or Create Account button, usually found on the main screen. This is your initial step towards accessing all the features and benefits the X app offers. It's a quick and straightforward process to get started. Now, let's create your account. You'll be prompted to enter either your email address or a valid phone number. Make sure this information is accurate, as it will be used for verification. Next, create a strong, unique password. We recommend using at least 8 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, you'll receive a one-time verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to confirm your identity. With your account verified, it's time to set up your profile. Start by entering your full name and choosing a unique username that represents you within the app community. You can also upload a profile picture to personalize your account and make it easily recognizable to others. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the app's terms of service and privacy policy. Accepting these ensures you understand how your data is used and your responsibilities as a user. Congratulations, your X app account is now ready. You might have a few optional profile fields or preferences to complete, which can enhance your experience. Once that's done, take some time to explore the app's main features and understand its navigation. Discover how to connect with others, utilize key functionalities, and personalize your settings. You are now all set to fully engage with the X app and enjoy everything it has to offer. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.